It's been very rewarding. I get to come to a place every day and provide a living for my family, a stable place to work. I mean, there's a lot of opportunity for advancement as long as you work hard and show up every day.
Starting in the manufacturing industry, you can expect 25 to 32 an hour, but once you increase yourself in that, it can go up to even 100 plus an hour.
I've been able to, like I say, come here and provide a good living for my family, put food on the table, and also we get to go on vacations and things like that.
Starting in apprenticeships, depending on the type of apprenticeship, you could be making 25, 30 an hour, and ending the apprenticeship as a journeyman, 40, 50, maybe even 60, depending on the field.
So the opportunities are here. There is no space for you to feel stagnant in your growth. You're always going to be able to find something greater than the place that you're in right now.
You don't have to know much. At the end of the day, there's such a need and a demand for people in the field that they're hiring people just to teach them.